All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Fight Channel, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to talk about two stocks that Matt Dillon asked about on Market Sticker Show here, ladies and gentlemen. The first one we're going to look at, ladies and gentlemen, is NVDL, ladies and gentlemen. What is NVDL? Let's look it up, ladies and gentlemen. Granted Share ETF Trust. Granted Share 2-time long NVDY Day ETF. You know, it's up good percent. I mean, it's up over $5 today. If you bought down here, at 10.45, you bought 100 shares. You already made $600 off of this. You made about $500. You bought 100 shares. Pretty good one day there, ladies and gentlemen. But how risky is this, ladies and gentlemen? This is very risky, ladies and gentlemen. It's a leverage. The NVDL provides 2-time leverage exposure, less fees and expense to a daily price movement for shares in the NVIDIA Corp. Ladies and gentlemen, what they do, this should go up. It goes up, you can make a lot of money. But when it goes down, if you're in it, you're going to lose a lot of money here, ladies and gentlemen. That's all it is about, ladies and gentlemen. And look, there is no dividend yield. This is a per growth play here, ladies and gentlemen. Look at the 52-week high at 991.70 and the low is 11.94. Let's look at the year to date here. Yeah, year to date. Look. You had a chance to buy right here. This is on January 4th, 2024. $14.22. Easy buy 100 shares of that, ladies and gentlemen. That's only $1,422. But look at it run up. You could ran it all the way up here. Here, ladies and gentlemen, 100 shares. You made a massive amount of money. Then we go down, up, down. Then it went all the way back down to 28.77. Okay, what happened? You sold out right here, took your profit. Then you gotta wait all the way till April 19th to get back in. But 28.77, you bought 1,000 shares. Still using your profit off the first trade here, ladies and gentlemen. That's 100 shares would be $2,877. That run all the way up to this peak right here. June 18th, ladies and gentlemen, $85.25. 100 shares, you got $8,525. I would have sold out right there because I didn't know what I was going to do after that. But by looking back at the back chart, ladies and gentlemen, yes, it went down to $64. You could have bought right here at 64. You thought that was a bottom. 100 shares, it would cost you $6,406. Within your profits right there off of your dang on last trade right here on the 7th. Hold it all the way up here. You just made another $67. Time 100 shares at $670.55, ladies and gentlemen. Easy trades if you know what you're doing in these. These are really good if you know what you're doing. You know how to read charts. But then you sell out there, ladies and gentlemen. You already made 3 trades, made profit on all 3, if you did this right. Then you waited to come down to August 7th. Yes, that was the first big dip, ladies and gentlemen, we had. Because of Japan, then you bought another 100 shares for $4,143, ladies and gentlemen. And went back up to here. Just made more money here, ladies and gentlemen. Sell that right here. 52 to there. 41 to 70. That's another $29. Time 100. That's $2,090, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, you're going to wait till it drop back down to the next big event here, ladies and gentlemen. You bought in at $42.71. 100 shares again. That's $4,200. Then it's running back up here, ladies and gentlemen. Today is $58.74 from this price right here. If you sold out, $16. That's another $1,600. Within the first 10 months of this year, ladies and gentlemen, you could have made $10,000 off of this, ladies and gentlemen, if you know what you are doing. That's the big thing, ladies and gentlemen. With these, you must watch the chart, understand what is going on, understand the underlying the video, ladies and gentlemen. All right, let's look at the other one. He said it's very slow growing here, ladies and gentlemen. That will be my favorite one, NVDY, ladies and gentlemen. Yield max NVIDIA option income strategy, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, yeah. We're going to go out to the year to date. But this one, ladies and gentlemen, NVDY seeks to provide current income and cap gains on NVIDIA stock through a synthetic cover call strategy, collateralized by cash in U.S. Treasury. The active manager funds use both standard exchange trade and flex option, ladies and gentlemen. Been around since May 10, 2023. That's all the Treasury. The 52 high is 31.77. And the 52-week low is 1962, ladies and gentlemen. And it does pay a 30-day yield of $3.68 here, ladies and gentlemen. 368% for a 30-day yield. Last time I got a 135 here, ladies and gentlemen. You could do the same thing trading this. I mean, look. If you bought in here, ladies and gentlemen, 100 shares at $21, you had $21.83. Run it up, $31. You can sell all of it, take the profit. Take the profit. Look, 21 to 31. That's $10 profit. 100 shares. That's $1,000. Skim $1,000 off. Leave the rest in. Dip back down. Not that low when you bought it first time. It's okay. But you could put that $1,000 back in here. Or run it back up. And take the profit off of there, ladies and gentlemen. And then wait for it to come all the way back down here. Put it back in your profit and let it run back up. Take profit up here, ladies and gentlemen. Then it drop right here. June 5th. That's a big drop in one day. Then you take your profit here. As you took profit here, you saw it come back down. Put your profit back in. You take off the top. Don't sell the whole thing because you're going to keep your average low. Let it run back up here again to the $31.30. 30.52. Yeah, 31.30. Take your profits off the top, whatever it is. Back down. Put that profit back in. Okay, back up here, July 3rd. Skim off the top again. Back down. Put profit back in. It goes back up. Skim off. What I would do here, I will wait till it drop all the way back down to our Black Swan event here, or Japan thing here, August 7th. Put that profit back in, runs back up, take profit. I would have waited till all this jibber jabber go on. Look, August 30th, it dropped back down September 6th. The profit you take from August 19th, you put back in here. Then bam, you're up here, ladies and gentlemen. I've been taking profit. That's why I'm only down $315. Look, I made $312 off of this, ladies and gentlemen, and I get a dividend every month. This is a year out. 10 dividends within this time. You skim me up top, get more shares. You calculate more shares, more dividends being paid out. Of course, the dividends are not the same. Each time they pay out, they fluctuate here, ladies and gentlemen. I can tell you that firsthand. But that's no big deal. You still skim me off the top, take your profit, buy it at a lower price, bring it back up, because there's no way you'll buy again. It could be, because it did go down here to $20.96. But you bought in at the beginning of the year. at 22.59. Yeah, it did drop down, but it took dang on till September 6th to get back down there, ladies and gentlemen. Stay in there. It's time in the market, not timing the market. You can look at take profit. I mean, you got profit, take it all. Like if this was a plot, like this was $312.10. If that was in my total return, would I take it, ladies and gentlemen? I I could, but look at my cost average. I got my cost average at 24.66 per share. I got 380 shares of this, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not worrying about it. How much more will NVIDIA go? Will NVIDIA go up to 210 by next year at this time? Let's look at NVIDIA. NVIDIA, what did it do today, ladies and gentlemen? 1045. People complaining. Why is it trading between a 110 and 120, ladies and gentlemen? That's how it goes. It's been through a stock split. There's a lot of shares out there. But look at this. By 12 o'clock, we're back at the 120 mark. 121.33. Then we went down and back up. Then we're back down. Now we're running up again here. After market, ladies and gentlemen, what will it do at nighttime? Who knows? Will some of the Japanese and Asian market buy some of this up? Who knows, ladies and gentlemen? We don't know what the future holds for this stock. Understand what you're doing if you're playing with NVDL, especially NVDL. Understand what you're doing in that one. If not, you're going to get burned in that one. The NVDY, you get a dividend, ladies and gentlemen. I made plenty of money. I mean, yeah, I'm still reinvest my dividends into that share, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, I'm not complaining. Where is that? Yes, some people say I can't lose a lot of money in this thing, but I'm not worrying about it. I don't need the money right now. My retirement is still 10 years away, ladies and gentlemen. This is my journey, my way I'm investing, my strategy. If you got a strategy, stick to it, ladies and gentlemen. Learn to do your research. Learn how to read charts. And don't follow other people, ladies and gentlemen, because people are not qualified to tell you financial advice, just like me, ladies and gentlemen. But, ladies and gentlemen, you got any questions? I'll gladly answer them, and put your name in the video, ladies and gentlemen. See you on the next one. Peace out, ladies and gentlemen.